video, I'm going to show you how to import files from your Google Drive into the Whiteboard for annotation during class. A few things first, I am logged into the panel in a few ways. I'm signed into my Google Drive account in Chromium. I am signed in through the Cloud Drive app, and I'm also signed into the Whiteboard using either your Google login or the My Companion app on your personal device. So now that I'm logged in all of these ways, I'm going to come up to the top right waffle, and when I click on it, I see this Google Drive icon, and mine is colored. Yours might be gray. To activate it, just click it, and it should turn to this green, yellow, and blue icon. And then you are going to come to the magic box down here at the bottom of your screen, and you should see a Google Drive icon. Again, it might be gray, but click it. It should turn colors, and then you should see here all of your folders. Now, if you're working with a folder or in a folder that a colleague has shared with you, it's going to show up under Shared with Me. But if you are working with, let's just say, your own folder that you've created, it would be in My Drive. The other folders that you may have seen there are shared drives. So I'm actually going to go back. Let's see, go here. Come back to my drive here. And I'm going to just select a random file. So I can import Google Slides, I can import Google Docs. When you import them, they will import as an image into the Whiteboard. So you're not actively making any changes to the documents in Google Drive, if that makes sense. But you can pull in multiple pages, and I'll show you how that works. So I am going to select, just going to come to this ISTE Resources 2019 folder, and I'm going to pull in, I'll pull this one. And if it has multiple pages, this one has 7 pages, I can select the specific pages that I want to import. So I'm just going to select 1 and 2 as examples and hit import. So I can take my 2 fingers and zoom in. Whoops, that's the selector. First, I want to hit this hand button at the bottom, and then I can take 2 fingers and zoom in like I would on a phone, or zoom out like I would on a phone. And I can then take a pen. I'm going to select the pen tool at the bottom. I'm just going to use red as an example here. And I can write all over this, okay? I'm going to select the hand at the bottom again to manipulate the screen, and I'm going to zoom out. And you can see that those annotations stay with the document to scale, okay? And then over here at the bottom where it says 2, that means I have 2 pages. So I'm going to click on that 2, and you can see that the other page here, I'm going to click on that, there we go. And I have the other page that I have imported. So again, I can zoom in and zoom out using my 2 fingers, and I can annotate using the pen. And I'll select orange this time. Okay. And when I click the hand again, I can zoom out, I can zoom in, and those annotations stay there on that page. So this is how you would pull in resources from your Google Drive into the Whiteboard so that you can annotate them. In a future video, I will show you how to save these files and export these files. Thank you so much for watching.